landing gear goes in. All right, it's time we make local pigeons pack their bags and get ready to migrate. Because WarKroc is right here in the skies, looking for those pigeons who did not migrate. Let's fly it in Donald Trump mode.
Donald Trump mode.
That is attitude mode. Oh, you should be scared. You should be frightened. All that ordnance is focused on you.
That's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back quick. We in the dirty South, ain't